Welcome back to Alex and Wadney Entertainment. How are you guys doing? So today, you guys, we're gonna be doing an unboxing my ring light. But before we get into the video, you guys, I have to introduce you to everybody else. Alex.
Hey guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel and ring that bell so you're notified every time we drop a new video.
And where's Peter?
Peter!
Come say hi to the vlog.
Come here, buddy.
Come here. Come say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Say hi.
Say hi, Mr. Weeder.
Hi, Mr. Weeder. All right, you guys, let's get into the video.
So here's the box with the ring light that came off of Amazon. Man, that thing's bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. So we got some Inception stuff going on. There's a box within a box. Hopefully there's not another box within this box. One, you can get that.
Let me take this out of the way, you guys.
So this clearly shows that there's a ring light here. But you know, I've always been taught never to assume, so I'm gonna check for myself. Because if you assume, you're making an ass out of you and me, and that's just not fine.
I don't think we can see.
Alright, so
Can I try to open something, guys?
there you go, Wadney. You can open that little box.
All right, I'm gonna open the little box, you guys.
Hey, look, they gave us a case. That's gonna be the stand.
Do you want to read the instructions before we start? You guys, I ordered this ring light off of Amazon.
If I can program a CNC machine, I can figure this out.
Oh.
It's a tripod.
No, but like, how do you stand it up? Oh.
Yay! Good job.
Okay, you want to show every part it came with? It came with
So
this.
this is the tripod. Oh, does it tilt? It's a little. Oh, I see. It's at an angle on purpose.
Oh, really?
Probably.
Oh.
That would make sense, actually. Or maybe it's not.
Oh. You have to tighten it if you want.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, there's much force to it. It's not like you're gonna be.
So you can put a camera on it. Okay.
So here's a plug. It's pretty obvious what this does. This is its power source.
Here's another plug for it. Hopefully you guys can see this. Then there's these two.
Well, that's part of this plug, Wadney.
Yeah.
See?
And then there's a clicker. And then
Click.
this is to put the camera or the phone. It comes with this as well. And then this is the big ring. As you can see.
Yes, the big dog.
And then that's everything that came with it.
This is if you want for like a phone or something.
I don't know how much it costs.
Alright, so my background a little bit, I'm used to working with medical components and things that fit together with precision. This clearly doesn't fit together with precision. Yeah. So anyways, I threw everything together like the drawing said. Now I'm just gonna finish popping this on. This is for holding a smartphone. Wadney, I don't even know if your phone's gonna fit in this thing, but
Oh, it's not? Try to zoom in. Yep. Well, why is it tilted
Like that?
like the actual ring light is actually tilted to me?
Why is it tilted?
It seems like it's tilted in. Oh.
That's why, Wadney.
Okay.
Things like a swivel because it's locked in.
Yeah, put it a little higher.
Not the most robust thing in the world. Not horrible either. That locks in place.
You guys, I hope I have a good angle for you guys. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Like that. Oh, wow.
You like it? Let me see. Oh, wow. Weird that looks.
Then you can adjust the lighting.
Oh, wow.
All right. And that's that.
Okay, this is good. You guys, comment down
That's
below.
very bright.
Let me know from the first one. I think this looks really, really good, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know.
Oh, this is a major improvement over the first one. That
Oh.
one was terrible.
You guys, this is like so different. Was it hard? How long it took you?
That wasn't too bad. I just didn't think the design was gonna be as subpar as it was.
Look at Peter over there. Alright, you guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, give the video a thumbs up, you guys. Comment down below what ring light you guys use, and also
Make sure that you subscribe to our channel and ring that bell so you're notified every time we drop a new video.
and we'll see